Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by seeing exactly what you must fix. Look for deep gouges versus surface scratches. Clean the spot with degreaser and water so new paint bonds. Once dry, sand the damaged perimeter with 400-600 grit to feather the edges. This prevents a visible ridge after paint. Make sure to mask surrounding areas at least 1 inch beyond the feathered zone to protect finish. By beginning here, you set the stage for a smooth color match and long-lasting adhesion. Once the surface is level, apply a thin touch-up filler to any deep pits. You want minimal buildup to reduce sanding. Let each thin coat cure fully, because wet filler sands poorly and will sag. Sand the cured filler smooth with 800-1200 grit, then wipe with a tack cloth to remove dust. Apply a light primer coat to promote paint adhesion. Then spray or brush the color-matched paint in multiple light passes so it blends with surrounding finish. You finish by wet sanding the cured paint with 1500-2000 grit to level texture, then polish with a fine compound for shine. This merges new paint into old. Protect the repair with several light clear coat layers, letting each dry before the next. If you notice color mismatch or dirt nibs, don't panic. Try a glaze to blend or repeat very thin color passes, then re-clear. If runs or orange peel appear, lightly wet sand and repolish. Consistent light work yields the best result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.